So today I am gonna try to show you the detail how is the middle seat and the bed box work. So right now I got the seat, the middle seat in right here, the second row seat in, because we go now for a trip and we need some to carry some more people. So right now you got back seat there, second seat right there. So I'm gonna remove the seat and show you how the box fit in here. So I got the seat out, and you all know this is how the middle seat bracket system on the floor. Alright, so you need two persons to help carry this box into here, and this is how the box before it go into the bracket. So this is a detail of how I did the slot. So this one right here gonna go into here and slide into that, and then this one here gonna go to here and it's go into that slot, so then it's not move forward or backward. And then this one here to prevent it jumping out, pop out. So I show you how it fit in. Alright, so this is before I slide it in. I don't know if you can see that, but there you go. See, so that's how I position it before I slide into the slot. Okay, so here is after we slide it into the slot, everything fit in like that. I don't know if it's easy for you to see or not. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how is that piece pop up, because like I told you before, that when I swing this piece over, and then it's gonna go all the way to the back of the seat, and then I will pop this up to make it become a full size bed. So let me show you how it works. So right here, you have to just lift it up like that, and again, I mean, down here I use the bracket right there, and I don't know, two bracket might be a little bit of flimsy. I mean like this. I don't know, it's kind of okay if you just put your leg right there. So just to avoid to actually sit on it, I guess. So here you swing it out and it fit on the way to the back like that, and you can see no more gap, no more sink down mattress. So like I said before in the other video, kind of lazy. I don't want to have to slide this one from here to here, and it's a little work. So because of those mechanical lock in on the bracket, so I have to like push it and slice it and things like that. So so I'm lazy, I just swing it over. But now if I spend a little time here, set it up the right way, I have a whole bed full length. So there you go. So I just wanted to show you a little one more time on the other side of the car. So I swing it over like that, and then I swing over here. I mean, it's lot of room here and a lot of room back there. So full size mattress up here. Alright, so I just want to show you a little bit the inside. So this is the inside of the box with those brackets there, just to make the box square and hold it. I do use the little L bracket at the slot in case, you know, it's gonna hold that little slot right there for me. So the hard part is because of these little tab here. You have to kind of push it down and then slide it, and then you put the other one down and slides it. So it's a little work. That's why it's not easy to open the box and slice it. Yeah, so when I'm lazy, I don't want to open that and slide the box back, and then so I just wing it back there, back out, and so it's a little, like I said, it have a little sink down over there. And this is the table. When I open up, it's the leg that I put from the seat to the table. So in case you want that. Alrighty, thank you.